Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to use search and replace, as well as search and regular expressions in DataChamp. Search and replace allows you to locate specific words or character sequences in your text or data and replace them with alternatives. Regular expressions provide a way to define patterns in text, for instance, to identify all phone numbers with an international prefix. This is useful if you want to standardize phone numbers. Let's start with search and replace. Create a new report and select Customer as the report type. Set up the report with the fields, filters, and other settings you need. In this example, we'll use the phone field. Suppose we want to replace the prefix +1 with 001. Click the Format options for the phone field. In Search, enter +1. In Replace, enter 001. Check the result in the preview. You'll see that the prefix +1 has been changed to 001, while all other phone numbers remain unchanged. Now let's look at search and regular expressions. Click the Format options again, but this time select regular expressions. Enter the following. Search \++D. Replace $00. Here's how it works. \+ matches the plus sign. \D captures one digit. $1 refers to the captured digits, i.e. the phone prefix. To explore this topic further, consider using external resources. A great starting point is regex 101, which we'll link in the description. Click Apply and check the result in the preview. Now every phone number starts with 00. Give your report a clear name, for example, Customer Phone Numbers, Standardized, then save and run it. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.